Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you the best game booster settings in Galaxy A55 5G. So firstly guys, you have to go to settings here and then tap on search and write game booster settings. So here we have this setting. Firstly guys, you have to go to block during games. So you have to enable this feature. So when you have any notification from any app, the notification will be blocked and it will not interrupt you in gaming. After that, you can also enable the auto brightness feature so that the brightness will be still at same point which you set. You can also enable Bixby option so that the Bixby option will be blocked at the time of gaming. Now go back. We have auto touch protection here. So as you guys see, it is already set to 3 minutes, which is best. But if you want to set it up on 5 minutes or 2 minutes, you can set up according to you. Talking about this feature, save power during the touch protection. So that will be reduce the frame rate for games while touch protection is active and your power will be safe. So you have to enable this feature also. Talking about the shortcuts guys, so if you enable this feature, so we have a floating shortcut here. Like we can use a screenshot, navigation button, pop-up panel, record on it. You can set it up according to you. But the best thing is you have to set up pop-up panel or a record so that you can also screen record your game. Talking about the screenshot resolution, which is already set on 100%, this is the best setting by the way. And the screenshot format is JPEG. This one is also best. We have HEIF also, but JPEG is better. In game optimization, guys, the best thing is performance. After that, standard and then battery saver. These two are also good, but it doesn't provide you the best result as compared to performance. So you have to set it up for the performance here. So these are all the game booster settings by the way, and that is it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.